Hey, what's up guys? It's George, and in this video here I want to talk about the importance of communication. This is very important, so pay attention. Just had a very small transaction, a small local pickup. I just had a new customer, someone just talked to this morning, and they swung by and they brought some products by for me to purchase off them. So a small transaction, nothing to brag about, not bragging or anything, but I wanted the reason why this transaction inspired me to make a quick video was because of what they said. And what they said, when they swung by and I met with them, they said that they had called someone else, but they said that that the way that they talked to them pushed them away. And they said that when they called me, they said that the way that I spoke to them on the phone was just so professional, and that was why they felt, that they wanted to give me the business and that they felt like they could trust me. And I've actually heard this many times in my notary business as well as in the medical commodities business. That when I communicate with people, especially over the phone or whether it's written communication, I speak very professionally, and this is key. This is so important. I can't. I mean, it just blows my mind the way that so many people speak to their customers. And I know this because I've either myself or other people that I work with. Sometimes I get curious about the competition, the way that they speak with other people, and their strategies. And when I call other people, I'm just blown at the way that they'll answer the phone, or the way that they'll write. I mean, sometimes when you call people, it's like they're annoyed that you're calling them, which is just crazy. I mean, this is someone that's trying to give you business. Why would you be annoyed? And if you come off sounding like a drug dealer, with very just unprofessional kind of communication, you're going to turn people off. Where if you speak very, professionally, good customer service, you don't, talk with slang talk, and you just talk professionally, good customer service, good attitude, then that's going to give you an extra edge over a lot of the competition, because a lot of people have very poor communication skills. And I'm not saying you got to be like a scholar or anything. That just having a pleasantness, and when you talk to people, don't sound like annoyed or like you're some kind of drug dealer or something like that. And or I know this, when I will message other competitors on Facebook, it's like the way that they write, it's crazy. It's like they're speaking broken English and improper communication, and it's just it's very unprofessional. Where myself, I always make sure to talk, whether it's written communication or orally over the phone. I make sure that it is proper and professional communication, because that helps people, that helps to gain the trust. And when you're dealing with someone and it's the first time you've ever dealt with them, or that they've dealt business with you, trust can really help, because you're talking about people, that they don't know you from anything, and there's a lot of scammers out there. Why should they just trust you for no reason? And so if you talk professionally and you're pleasant with them, and you don't sound like annoyed that they're reaching out to you, and you're just happy, for them reaching out to you, then that can give you that little extra edge over the competition, because there's a lot of competition out there these days. And just having a pleasantness in your voice and proper communication can give you that extra edge. Okay, so when you're reaching out to customers, whether it is through emails or messaging, make sure to talk with proper communication, good communication. Really work and push on yourself to have extra good communication skills. As if you're getting graded in school. Try to use proper English when you're communicating with people, and have a pleasantness in your voice when you're communicating with people, whether on the phone or through written text. And watch, as that helps to improve gaining the trust and increasing your business. Okay, just a quick but very important message for you. Till next time, let's make it a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life.